Welcome to my channel, Learn to Earn. We are here to help you with interview tips and job information on daily basis. Today's topic: commonly asked Excel interview questions and answers. How do you split merged cells in Excel? To split merged cells, select the merged cell, go to the Home tab, click the Merge and Center drop-down and choose Unmerged Cells. How do you insert a row in Excel? To insert a row in Excel, right-click on the row below where you want to insert the new row and select Insert from the context menu. How do you insert a column in Excel? To insert a column in Excel, right-click on the column to the right of where you want to insert the new column and select Insert from the context menu. How do you delete a row in Excel? To delete a row in Excel, right-click on the row you want to delete and select Delete from the context menu. How do you delete a column in Excel? To delete a column in Excel, right-click on the column you want to delete and select Delete from the context menu. How do you resize a row or column in Excel? To resize a row or column, hover your mouse over the boundary between the row or column headers until the resize cursor appears, then click and drag to adjust. How do you hide a row or column in Excel? To hide a row or column, right-click on the row number or column letter and select Hide from the context menu. How do you unhide a row or column in Excel? To unhide a row or column, select the adjacent rows or columns, right-click and choose Unhide from the context menu. How do you freeze panes in Excel? To freeze panes in Excel, go to the View tab, click Freeze Panes in the window group and choose either Freeze Panes, Freeze Top Row or Freeze First Column. How do you sort data in Excel? To sort data in Excel, select the range of cells you want to sort, go to the Data tab, click Sort in the Sort and Filter group and choose the desired sorting options. How do you filter data in Excel? To filter data in Excel, select the range of cells you want to filter, go to the Data tab, click Filter in the Sort and Filter group and apply the desired filter criteria. How do you create a chart in Excel? To filter data in Excel, select the range of cells you want to filter, go to the Data tab, click Filter in the Sort and Filter group and apply the desired filter criteria. How do you create a chart in Excel? To create a chart in Excel, select the data you want to include in the chart, go to the Insert tab, click on the desired chart type in the Charts group and follow the prompts. How do you add data labels to a chart in Excel? To add data labels to a chart in Excel, select the chart, go to the Chart Design tab, click Add Chart Element in the Chart Layouts group and choose Data Labels. How do you format a chart in Excel? To format a chart in Excel, select the chart, go to the Chart Design tab, click on the desired formatting options in the Chart Styles group and customize as needed. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope it helps. We will always remember your support towards the channel's growth. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to join our community for more exciting content ahead. Until next time, stay tuned and stay awesome.